What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and in this video we're going to be installing some tank grips on the Panigale V2. And here's the box that everything comes in. I decided to go with some ones by Eazi-grip, and here's everything laid out on the table. This is what you get inside the box. Got to have your stickers, get some cleaning wipes, some installation instructions and things like that. And then what I want to do is real quick just sit on the bike and show you kind of where my legs sit and where this thing really needs some grip. All right, so I just wanted to show you real quick what I look like sitting on the bike here. I'm 6'1", I have long legs, but this may vary from person to person. But just sitting in a normal riding position on the bike here, this is where my thigh makes contact with the tank, and it's more so on the plastic piece right here on the bike. And the tank pads that you get in the box, they do cover this piece here and this portion of the tank. So probably when you're moving around at the track or in the twisties and stuff like that, you are gonna, come up higher and lower and things like that. So just wanted to show you that, but let's go on ahead and get these things installed. All right, so before you get started, you want to make sure that you have a nice clean surface and everything. You want the tank grips to adhere properly. You can use the provided wipes, or you can use your own cleaner and wipe it off that way. But also you want to make sure that you do this in a warm temperature, or go ahead and make sure that the surface is nice and warm. You don't want to do it in the cold. Apply firm pressure once you get it on there, and then allow it to set for about 24 to 48 hours. All right, now I'm gonna go on ahead and start with this piece first. So these two are different for left and right. So you just wanna make sure that this smaller pointy end is towards the front of the bike, just like that. Go ahead and line it up how you want it and apply it. And if you mess up, you can kind of just pull it back and readjust. I think that is gonna work out just right there. And like I said before, just apply firm pressure across the whole thing, make sure it's on there, and then you should be good to go. All right, so for this last one, you just wanna make sure that the circle here is towards the front of the bike, and then you can kind of see where the lines are right here. Just line it up and kind of make sure you get it lined up just like that once you get it on there. Right, I think right there will work. And just be careful, because there's a contour in here where it kind of curves in right there. Just make sure you work that in as you're doing it. All right, now we add on our finishing touch here. Add it right there like so. There we go. All right, and there you guys have it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side, but here's the before and the after. All right guys, that's it. Super easy install, takes no time at all. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you know where to get them, and I'll see you in the next one.